In this video, I'm going to show you how to use filter in Zoho Sheet. So the first thing you have to do, you just want to click on your cell where you want to apply a filter. For example, I'm going to apply it to the name section over here, and then I'm going to click on the filter button up here, top right. And when you click on it, it's going to automatically add filters onto your cells over here. Now, usually they'll be basically attached to the headers over here, as you can see, which is quite convenient. So after that, you can just go ahead and click on this drop down arrow, and you can go ahead and basically filter. So you could do and sort ascending, you could do and sort descending, you could go ahead and just basically select different cell values. You could just select Josh, for example. If I click on it, click on filter, there we go, it's just going to show Josh here. So yeah, it's going to allow me to do a lot of different things here. Or of course, you could just select all. You could also basically filter by cell colors, you could filter by text colors. So there's a bunch of different things you can do. And again, you can do this with every single thing you have in here. So with every single basically text variable in your head. Now, of course, I'm going to select all, press filter again. There we go, that's the default. And you can also set a custom filter if you want to. On the right hand side over here, you can go ahead and select a custom filter and basically create a function for the filter, and then you can filter pretty much whatever you want to, and of course it's going to be very easy. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.